Commutativity of addition of rational numbers. In this video, we are going to discuss whether addition of two rational numbers are commutative or not. What does that mean? It means if we take two rational numbers, let's say A, and if we add another rational number to this rational number, that is B, then for this addition to be commutative, this should be equal to B plus A. That is, if we reverse the position of A and B, then if we then again add it, then the sum of this addition and the sum of this addition should be equal. If that is the case for the two rational numbers, then we say that yes, addition of rational numbers is commutative. So 3/4 and 7/6. If we add these two numbers, first, that is, first we take 3/4 plus 7/6. Now, the first step is always to find the LCM of 4 and 6, right? LCM of 4 and 6. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Okay, so now this is 3 over, now this becomes 12, and this is 3 times 3, then plus this becomes 12, and this becomes 7 times 2. I hope you know how to add two rational numbers. We have discussed all these things in our previous videos, right? So we get 9/12 plus 14/12, and this gives you, now we have the two like rational numbers, so 12 here, the denominator is 12, and 9 plus 14, we get 23/12. Now 23/12 is the sum of 3/4 plus 7/6. What about 7/6 plus 3/4? Again, even in this case, we take LCM of 6 and 4. That is going to be same, that is 12 only. There will be no difference. So LCM is of the denominators is going to be 12 only, right? Now this becomes 12. So you multiply with 7 times 2. Why? Because if we divide 12 by 6, we get 2, and then here it is 12. So 12 divided by 4 is 3, so it should be 3 times 3, and we get 14/12 plus 9/12. You get, it's 12, then 14 plus 9, we get 23/12. Now this 23/12 and this 23/12, in both these two cases, whether we take 3/4 plus 7/6 or 7/6 plus 3/4, the sum of these two additions, that is, the result is actually 23/12, that is equal. Therefore, in this example, the addition of rational numbers is commutative. Let's take another example. In this one, we have one positive and one negative rational number. So first we will do 8/3 plus minus 4/7. Okay, this is the first one. Now in this case, if we take LCM of 3 and 7, you get 21. So for this we'll write, in the denominator becomes 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7, so 8 times 7 plus, this is, in the denominator we have 12, and we keep this negative sign as it is. Then here we have 12, it should be 21, so not 12, it's 21. So 21 divided by 7 gives us 3, so this is 4 times 3. Now you get 56 over 21 plus minus 12 over 21. Now if we open the bracket, if we remove the bracket, we get 56 over 21. Outside the bracket is plus, therefore this becomes minus 12 over 21, right? And this gives us 21 and 56 minus 12. You get 44 over 21, right? So 44 over 21 is the result in this case. Let's take, in this case we take minus 4 over 7 plus 8 over 3, right? So again the LCM of 7 and 3 is going to be the same, that is 21 only. So LCM is 21 only. Now for this one we write in the denominator as 21. 21 divided by 7 is 3. So minus 4 times 3 plus, again we have 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7, so 8 times 7. This becomes minus 12 over 21 plus 56 over 21. Now we have the same denominator. The denominators are the same in these two cases, rational numbers. So this is 21 minus 12 plus 56. This gives you 44 over 21. So in this case and in this case, both the results are actually the same, that is 44 over 21. So on these two examples, like this one and this one, we can say that yes, addition of rational numbers is commutative.